everybody, it's Chase with Trick Tools. Today I wanted to show you and talk a little bit about the Roto-Star 1 Rotary Welding Positioner. This is going to be what we call our bundle, so it's going to come with this 3-jaw chuck in the 12-inch surfacing plate. These are great for continuously welding around round parts, can speed up efficiency, make a nice looking product at the end. This has a 6-inch chuck, a 12-inch surface plate, and control panel, which is going to have your directional rotation and speed control. The machine is capable of 1 to 15 RPM, and you're going to be able to fine tune that really easily with that knob and the on-off foot pedal. This machine is also capable of handling up to 300 amps through the double grounding system. So you want to hook your ground clamp up to this aluminum stud. There's also a wire that is grounded through the base of the machine, and there's a brush on the back of the spindle to eliminate all feedback. This machine gives you the ability to be at the horizontal or 90 position, rotated all the way up to vertical or 0 in 15-degree increments. So it's going to give you quite a bit of adjustment there. In the 90-degree or horizontal position, the machine's capacity is going to be 100 pounds. When the machine is flipped to 0 or vertical, you're going to have a 200-pound capacity. So in this configuration, we have the 3-jaw chuck with reversible jaws on. This is going to give you the ability to clamp from the inside diameter or the outside with the jaws reversed. You're going to be able to clamp up to 6-inch on the outside diameter. This also has a through spindle, so if you're working with longer material, you can keep the machine a little bit more balanced, keep it closer to the face of the chuck, and probably get in a little bit more comfortable position. And the max diameter you're going to be able to stick through the spindle is going to be 1.5 inches. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you need anything, go to the website. There's a lot of information on there. And if you need anything more, give our guys a call, shoot us an email. We'd love to help you out. Hopefully we'll keep some more videos rolling with you guys soon.